Welcome to the Daily Diary. Today, we take you on an in-depth journey into one of the most intriguing yet controversial aspects of global nightlife, the world's most famous red light districts. These areas are not just about adult entertainment. They also serve as cultural and economic hubs, shaping the nightlife and tourism industries of their respective countries. Some of these districts are legally regulated, while others operate in a grey area. Let's explore the top 10 red light districts around the world and learn about their history, unique attractions, and impact on society. Number 1. De Wallen, Amsterdam, Netherlands. De Wallen is the most famous and well-organized red light district in the world. Located in the heart of Amsterdam, this district has been a part of the city's culture for centuries. The red-lit windows are iconic, where licensed workers legally operate under government regulations. It's a major tourist attraction, featuring numerous bars, coffee shops, and the Red Light Secrets Museum, which educates visitors on the history and realities of the profession. Amsterdam's liberal policies make De Wallen one of the safest and most structured districts in the world. Number 2. Reeperbahn, Hamburg, Germany. Known as the Sinful Mile, Reeperbahn is one of Germany's most famous red light districts and a key nightlife hub. Located in Hamburg's St. Pauli district, it is lined with nightclubs, theaters, and bars. The area's Herbertstrasse is particularly notorious, as entry is restricted to men. Reeperbahn is also famous for its connection to the Beatles, who performed in the area's clubs before achieving international stardom. The district is heavily policed and regulated, ensuring a relatively safe environment for visitors. Number 3. Patpong, Bangkok, Thailand. Patpong is one of Bangkok's most renowned nightlife districts, known for its lively atmosphere and exotic entertainment. Located in the Silom area, it is home to numerous go-go bars, nightclubs, and massage parlors. However, Patpong is also famous for its night market, where visitors can shop for clothes, souvenirs, and accessories. The area is popular among tourists, but visitors should be mindful of scams and overpriced services. Number 4. Soi Cowboy, Bangkok, Thailand. Another famous district in Bangkok, Soi Cowboy is a small street packed with vibrant neon lights, bars, and entertainment venues. It is often considered a more relaxed and friendly version of Patpong. The area got its name from an American named T.G. Cowboy Edwards, who opened one of the first bars here in the 1970s. Today, Soi Cowboy is one of the most visited nightlife spots in Thailand, attracting both locals and tourists. Number 5. Kabukicho, Tokyo, Japan. Kabukicho, located in Tokyo's Shinjuku district, is Japan's largest red light area. Known as the Sleepless Town, it is filled with hostess clubs, love hotels, bars, and entertainment centers. Unlike some Western districts, much of the adult entertainment industry here is discreet, with a strong emphasis on hostess bars rather than open prostitution. Despite being a nightlife hub, Kabukicho is also home to fine dining, movie theaters, and shopping centers, making it a dynamic part of Tokyo's urban culture. 6. Geylang, Singapore. Singapore is known for its strict laws, but Geylang is an exception, as it is one of the few areas where prostitution is legally regulated. The district is divided into different lorongs, streets, with specific areas designated for licensed workers. Apart from its nightlife, Geylang is also a famous food hub, offering some of the best street food in Singapore. Dishes like frog porridge, laksa, and Hainanese chicken rice make it a must-visit for food lovers. 7th. Zona Norte, Tijuana, Mexico. Zona Norte is one of the largest and most active red light districts in North America. Due to its proximity to the US-Mexico border, it attracts many international visitors, particularly from the United States. The area is known for its clubs, bars, and legal brothels operating under Mexican law. While it is a major nightlife destination, it is also considered a high-risk area, so visitors are advised to take precautions. 8. Pigalle, Paris, France. Located near the famous Moulin Rouge, Pigalle is a historical red light district in Paris. While it has a vibrant nightlife scene, including cabarets, bars, and strip clubs, it also boasts a rich cultural heritage. The area is home to museums, art galleries, and theatres, making it a blend of historical charm and modern entertainment. Pigalle is also an artistic hub, with connections to famous painters like Henri Toulouse-Lautrec. Number 9. Skid Row, Los Angeles, USA. Skid Row is not a traditional red light district, but is often associated with underground adult entertainment, homelessness, and crime. Unlike the other districts on this list, Skid Row highlights the social and economic struggles that exist alongside illicit activities. The area is also known for its advocacy groups that work to provide aid and rehabilitation for the homeless population. Number 10. Calle Montera, Madrid, Spain. Calle Montera is one of Madrid's most well-known red light areas, where street-based prostitution is common. Unlike other red light districts that focus on nightlife establishments, Calle Montera is more of an open street scene. The area is also lined with cafes, restaurants, and high-end shops, making it a mix of everyday city life and the underground nightlife industry. Red light districts across the world are more than just entertainment zones. They reflect the cultural, legal, and economic approaches of different countries toward adult industries. Some areas, like De Wallen and Geylang, operate under strict government regulations, while others, like Zona Norte and Skid Row, remain more controversial. Regardless of their status, these districts contribute significantly to tourism and local economies. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Daily Diary for more unique content from around the world. Let us know in the comments if there's another topic you'd like us to explore. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.